Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add a signature field to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go to the official Adobe Acrobat website right here, adobe.com/acrobat, and from here we can get started with installing the program. So once you've installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, and from this main page we can get started. So here at the top of the screen you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at the recommended tools for you section, which is great to go ahead and be able to see all the tools in your disposal to get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to go ahead and add a digital signature field to your PDFs. Here on the official community Adobe website, somebody already asked the same question. So basically guys, we have answers by people familiar with Adobe, how to use it. So basically you're going to go to the tool section and click prepare form and then create a signature field. But how do you get into the tool section? Well, by clicking the edit a PDF option. As you can see, this is only a premium plan option. So basically you cannot edit PDFs with the free version of the application. You need to upgrade to premium. Once you've upgraded to premium, you can get started editing your PDFs, and this is going to enable you to add digital signature fields and to enable people to sign your documents. So once you've gotten that ready, you can find the articles online and follow them step by step for your use case. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.